You got me nervous, man. What's up, YouTube? We out here in Orlando with the homies from Orlando, Florida Trucking. But we about to cut this HD hood for a GMC. Gonna show you how it's done or how to do it. So you pretty much align the hood as best as you can. You get the gaps as close as you can. And then you want to throw your grill back up there and align like where the grill ends on both sides. And then you pretty much, you hold this for me, bro? I'm out the charger, throw it on there, but at least I'll get the beginning part of it. And you pretty much want to tape out your outline of the light. Pretty much how it's going to look and how you want to cut it out. And you don't want to go too far, so you want to go little by little, so you work your way up to where you need to cut it, because if not, you're going to have to weld that bitch back on. I done been there. So you're pretty much going to tape off your headlight outline, and then you're going to cut it out just like you seen in the video, just like that. It's going to come out pretty slick. The hood's not closed all the way. So that's pretty much it. You pretty much cut to where you like it. You can trim up and keep trimming if you want to get that gap bigger or smaller, but I like it as tight as it can. Tight as you can get it. But man, yeah, I like it, bro. And you then you can round out these edges with the grinder real quick, just so they won't be so sharp and shit. You get a round edge. That's pretty much how you cut a HD hood to fit. They're direct bolt-on. So you that's all you got to do is just trim around the headlight. Other than that, it just fits right on there.
SiempreTumbado.